Sarah Garlick. I develop and direct public engagement programs for the long-term Hubbard Brook Ecosystem Study in New Hampshire.
And I'm Elyse Aurbach. I lead public engagement for the Center for Academic Innovation at the University of Michigan.
So we both work in different spaces in public engagement, and we've been working separately on tools for practitioners that can aid in project planning and strategic decision-making for broader impacts work. In this session, we're delighted to bring our tools together.
In this workshop, we'll share these two complementary frameworks and ideally create a play space for people to apply them to their own work. We'll use a mix of presentations, small group discussions, individual work, and chat debriefs. Each participant will have the opportunity to outline a strategic public engagement plan.
We'll also create space to explore what public engagement means and how it is changing during the time of COVID-19.
So please join us to meet other public engagement professionals and to try out these frameworks. We really hope to see you there.